Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with the second part of my making of the Lapbook. Nik the Booksmith, she makes one too, so if you want a real good tutorial or how do you call that, well, I recommend to watch her videos, because I'm a bit clumsy sometimes, and she does it with existing or old book covers she already had, and well, I'm doing it with I'm making my own cover, so it's a bit different and a bit difficult. And today I want to cover this up, this side and this side, and I've been thinking a lot about it, because well, this is on the, well, this is showing on the outside, and I don't really like this. It's not well, and I could use some fabric maybe, or some lace. I'm not sure what to do, but and I want to cover this. And what I found was is some packing paper, a little piece, and I think maybe I can use that, just like so. Do it a bit like so. I'm not sure yet, but I think I'm going to glue some lace or something on this. So I'm going to cut a piece or two pieces to cover this and this side with this paper, and it's a bit thin, and I think that's okay. I want to have it thin, because when I use cardstock or thicker paper, well, it doesn't bend that good. So I will use this one. I will cut it in the right proportions, in the right size, and then I'll be back. So I cut two sizes of in centimeters it's 28 and a half by, well, 30, 34, 35 centimeters. In inches, that is 11 inches and a few stripes, and 11, well, 12, 13 and a half inch. What I'm going to do is glue that a bit over the, how do you call that? Oh, I have to use the other one, I think. I'm not sure. Yes, this one. Oh, I have to cut it straight. It's not very straight. So I can fold it, I guess, so it's straight. Not that it's important, because I think I'm going to cover this up anyway with lace. Is this okay? I think it is. And I'm going to glue it on here, and then I bend it over, and I glue it on with what? It's thin paper, it's package paper. I could do it with Brit, with a glue stick, And with, well, I think I'm going to start with fabric glue. Can't go back now. Like so. And maybe with a credit card or something like that. I think this is going to be okay. I hope. I'm gluing it on now, like so. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Like so. Well, I hope it's okay this way. I don't know. It's not. I have to re-glue that later on. I will do this first. I hope it's going to be, well, it's going to be covered up anyway, I guess, with something, or not. So, and now I'm going to fold that. I think I'm going to, or I'm going to glue this first. No, I can do that later. So, oh, my head is in the way, I'm so sorry. So I'm gluing this on. Cutting a piece off here. Not to the edge, I leave a few millimeters so I can fold it. The right way. Now I have to put some glue there. Like so. Well, this is one, and I think I'm going to glue something on this. Just put that aside. So, I'm going to glue that for a bit with a little one. Well, that's not quite straight, but I will see if I can get some lace or fabric. Yeah, I found another roll of lace, and that's lace with glue on it already, with well, it's sticker lace. So I'm going to glue that on, or the other way, that. And that's okay too. So I'm going to glue that on. And I hope it sticks okay. It's sticky. Maybe a bit glue here. A bit. You never know. Like so. And now here. Like so. Yes, I like that. I like that. Yeah. That's okay. And now I'm going to put, well, I will do the same on this side of camera. Then, well, I'll be back again. So, I did both sides, like so. Oh, it's upside down. This is the front. So, I like it this way. You can see it, I zoom a bit out. Like so. And I like it this way. It went a bit wrong this way, but because I'm going to cover this up, well, so be it. And now I have to put some papers over here, but I think I'm going to wait with that because I'm not sure what to do with those. well, I'm not sure yet. I have to watch Nik's video first. But I think I'm going to leave it this way. The spine, maybe I'm going to cover it up. I don't know yet. But I like it this way. And Nik, she has, or she wants to make in the big spine in the middle some well, with you can put, oh, it's too difficult sometimes, but she wants to have some papers in there, like so, with an elastic or with a cord, like so, with two eyelets, two holes with eyelets in it, and then put paper on the through, well, you know what I mean, I hope. I'm going to watch another video of Nik and to watch what she's doing further. So I'm going to do that, and I recommend you do too when you make this. You want to make a lap book too. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye.